Good morning, dear students. Here is your mathematics class. Today we are going to start Unit 3, Addition and Subtraction. In this, you will study about addition, rapid recall, addition, large numbers, subtraction, rapid recall, subtraction, large numbers, addition and subtraction, combined operation, addition and subtraction together, rounding numbers, estimation. So let's start our chapter. Today we will cover the topic addition rapid recall. Addition rapid recall that we are going to study today. What is addition? Addition means that when you add two numbers, the result what you get, that is the sum. Here you have to find out the sum. Sum means that after adding these two numbers, what you get the result, that will be the sum. 7 plus 3, 10. Carry 1. 5 plus 4, 9. Carry 1, 10. 5 plus 1, 6. 4 plus 3, 7. So you will get the sum is 7600. Similarly, you have to add the remaining quotient. Here add mentally. Given that you have got these numbers 24 plus 32 equals to 56. This is given. This is in your quotient. Find. Now you have to find 240 plus 320. So here children 24 same, 32 same. Only what is the difference? Here 10 is increased. Here also. So what the result you will get? This is the result, no sum. So there also you have to increase a 0. Clear? (43 plus 54 equals to 97). Same thing here also. 430 plus 540 equals to 970. Third, 95 plus 85 equals to 180. So 85 plus 95. Only the place is interchanged. Okay, so there is no effect in the answer. The answer will be same, 180. Fourth, given 21 plus 37 plus 28, 86. It is given. Find 21 plus 28 plus 37. Same answer because same number is there. So you will get the same answer, 86 only. Fifth, 70 plus 79 plus 89, 238. So here 10 is increased if we compare to this number. So in the answer also you have to increase the 0 by 2380. Come to next page. Here question 3, find the result. You have to add the numbers and find out the result. This is the numbers which are given before equals to, that is left hand side, because it is in your left hand side, and after equals to, this is right hand side, RHS. So what you have to do, you have to add and find the answer. If you add 2307 plus 4015, you will get the result 6322. After in 6322, you have to add 1625, the given number. What is the result? 5 plus 2, 7, 4, 9, 7. The sum is 7947. Question 2, 2307 plus 165 plus 4015. So these two are in brackets. So first of all you have to solve the bracket. You have to add these two numbers. 2307 plus 1625. 6 plus 5, 11 plus 1, 12. 2, 3, 6 plus 3, 9, 3. 3932. Here you have to write 3932 because first of all you have to add the bracket number. Then you have to add 4015 in 3932. What the answer you get, that you have to fit here. Okay. Now question 4. Remaining you have to do yourself. If you are not getting the answer, you can ask me, or if you have any doubt. Question 4. Fill in the blanks in each of the following. Here 5672 plus 0. If we add in any number 0, what will you get the answer, children? Like in you have 8 trophies, in that you are adding 0. What the answer is? 8 only, no? Same thing. 5672 is there, in that you are adding 0. What the result will be? 5672 only. Next question. 3462 plus 384. Here the number is written, got here 184. Only this number is missing, so you have to write 3462 here. Next. Dash plus 0. The answer is this. Means if we are adding in any number 0, the answer is the number itself. It means the number is 89256 only. If you add to this number 0, you will get the same answer. 385 plus dash plus 1100. So 1100 is there. 385 is also given both sides. Only what is left? 6701. 6701, that you have to fill in the blanks. The number to be added are called addends, and the answer we get is called the sum. So after adding two numbers, the answer what you are getting, that is the sum, and the number which you are adding, that is said to be addends. Addition large number. This is the second topic of the unit 3, addition large number. As you are adding the small number, that is the up to the place of thousands, here you are going to add the numbers which are up to the digit of lakhs. So first addends, these all are the addends what we are going to add, that are the addends, and what the answer you get, that is the result. Add the ones place. First of all, what you have to do, children, you have to start from the ones place. First you add ones place. 5 plus 2, 7. You got the answer 7. Then tens place. 6 plus 2, 8. Got 8 tens. Then hundreds place. 3 plus 3, 6 hundreds. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 thousands. 2 plus 1, 3. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 10,000s, and 4 plus 1 5 lakhs. So this way you can get the answer, and the answer what you have got, that is the sum. Here also you have to add the numbers which are given. So all numbers you have to copy it down from the book in your copy and add it very carefully. Write the numbers carefully and add it. Now here what is addition with regrouping? Regrouping means that you have to add the numbers look here, 7 plus 8 15, 15 plus 4 19, 9 and carry down 1. So you have to add this 7 plus, this is 1 once, so you will give to tens. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 7 10, 10 plus 9 19. So this way you have to add. This is given as step, like once they have added, then tens they have added, then hundreds. But when you are doing these questions like add, here it is given, here it is given, these are the examples which are done for you. Here it is given add, so directly you have to add it. Like first of all ones place, this is ones place, So 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 5 12. Now this is tens place. 5 plus 6 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 4 18. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, 8 plus 2 10, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 9 14. Isn't it, children? So this way you have to add all that numbers which are given in the exercise. Write the missing digits by adding. How will you write the missing digits? 2 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 2 10. So you have to write 0 here and carry 1. 3 plus 2 5, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. You got the correct answer. 4. Now hundreds place I am doing. 4 plus 5 9. So in 9 what will you add so that you will get 12? Because 9 is more than 2. It means that whatever, because adding, so whatever you are adding, that should be more than 9. So 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus how much will be 12, so that you can get 2 here. So 9 10 11 12. If you are adding 3 here, you will get the number 12 at the bottom. Okay, 2 carry 1. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 3 6 7 8. In 8 what will you add that you can get 9? If you add 1, then you will get 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. So you got the here sum 9. Now here 6. In 6 1 already is given, so 6 plus 1 7. In 7 what number will you add so that you can get 10? If you add 3, you will get 10. So this way you have to find out these numbers. Similarly here also 4 plus 1 6. In 6 what will you add so that you can get 7? 6 plus 1 7. So here you have to write in the box 1. Okay, 6 plus 3 9. In 9 what will you add that you will get 11? Because we will not go back, here is addition, so you have to add. So 9 plus 2 you will get 11. 1 carry, then carry here you have to add 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 1 12. In 12 how much will you add so that you can get 15? 3. So here in this box you have to write 3. Understood, children? So complete all the exercise which are given on this page. So here is the word problems. Word problems we will do in the next video. Okay, I will explain you word problems in the next video. Remaining you all complete and show it to me. Thank you, children.